Welcome to YouTube, and today, you're in for something truly special. We're diving into one of the most exciting and talked about luxury performance SUVs of the future, the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue. If you thought Ferrari couldn't outdo itself after entering the SUV game, think again. The 2026 model isn't just a refresh. It's a statement, a bold, roaring V12-powered answer to the luxury SUV craze, stamped with unmistakable Italian flair. Let's start by addressing what everyone's thinking. Why did Ferrari make an SUV? Purists cried foul when the Purosangue was first introduced. But here's the thing, it's not just an SUV. It's a Ferrari through and through. From the silhouette to proportions, the performance numbers, to the attention to detail, this machine has earned its badge. For 2026, Ferrari has taken the Purosangue's design and performance to the next level. The front fascia is sharper and more aerodynamic. Subtle changes in the hood design, new adaptive LED lighting elements, and enlarged air intakes give it a more aggressive and purposeful stance. It looks fast even when it's standing still. The profile is sleek, with a coupe-like roofline and frameless doors that maintain Ferrari's design DNA. Nothing is bulky or oversized here. Every line, every curve is sculpted for speed and precision. But step around to the rear and things get even more exciting. A revised diffuser, quad exhausts, and a more integrated spoiler setup not only improve downforce but make it clear, this is not your average luxury SUV, it's a prancing horse in wolf's clothing. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, the real heart of the beast. Ferrari is keeping the naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 alive in 2026, making this the last of a dying breed. While most automakers are downsizing or going electric, Ferrari sticks to its roots. The V12 pumps out a jaw-dropping 740 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque. What, 100 kilometers per hour? Just 3.3 seconds. And the top speed? Well north of 310 km/h. But it's not just about straight-line speed. Ferrari's engineering team has equipped the 2026 Purosangue with a revised version of the 4RMS all-wheel drive system. That means torque is distributed intelligently, depending on the road surface and driving mode. On twisty roads, the SUV feels more like a GT car than something that weighs over 2 tons. The suspension system has also been upgraded with active dampers and a predictive chassis control that reads the road ahead and adapts in real time. It's a tech marvel cloaked in luxury. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more spaceship than SUV. There's no central touchscreen like in other luxury vehicles. Ferrari believes in keeping the driver's hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. So instead, you get dual digital displays, one for the driver, one for the passenger, giving both occupants a unique view of performance data, navigation, and infotainment. The dashboard is sculpted with carbon fiber, Alcantara, and the finest Italian leather, blending racing heritage with cutting-edge luxury. The rear seats? Don't think of them as an afterthought. With 2 individual captain's chairs, heated and ventilated with massage functions, the rear cabin of the 2026 Purosangue rivals most executive sedans. There's even an optional panoramic electrochromic roof that adjusts its tint at the push of a button, letting in just the right amount of sunlight. Of course, a car like this isn't just about power and prestige, and it's about exclusivity. Ferrari has confirmed that Purosangue production will remain limited, making this not only a rare machine but also a potential collector's item, with a price tag starting north of $450,000. And rising quickly with customization, it's a vehicle for the elite, but also for those who want their family car to deliver the same thrill as a 488 or an SF90. But perhaps the most fascinating part of the 2026 Purosangue is what it represents, a transition. Ferrari is entering new territory with confidence, preserving what makes it special while embracing the future. This isn't just a practical car that happens to be fast. It's a performance thoroughbred in a practical package, and it doesn't apologize for it. So whether you're a longtime Ferrari fan, a collector, or just someone who appreciates automotive excellence, the 2026 Purosangue is a reminder that passion, performance, and innovation can still coexist in a world of hybrids and electrics. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the most exciting cars the world has to offer.